Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing well. In this video, we'll be discussing about a platform called Kaggle, which is a community of data scientists, machine learning and deep learning engineers. In this video, we'll also delve deeper into each of the sections on the Kaggle platform, like taking part in competitions, making notebooks, or making publicly available data sets. So let's start with what Kaggle is, and we will also go into the tips and tricks of how to perform your best on this platform. Kaggle offers a no-setup customizable Jupyter Notebooks environment where you can access free GPU instances to make your code run faster. There's also a very good community out there which publishes notebooks about each and every dataset available. So if you don't know how to get started with a dataset or can't solve a particular problem, you can go through these notebooks, you can fork them, and then implement your own version of that notebook. You can find different kinds of data sets, be it finance, linguistics, or any other domain for that matter. And then also Kaggle recently started something called as Kaggle courses, where it offers micro courses so that you can learn new skills in a practical way and also apply them on questions which come in those course sections. You can also take part in competitions. The good part is most of the competitions have a huge prize money, like around $100,000 or even 50 grand. Let me start off by taking a tour of the Kaggle platform. You can find this platform at www.kaggle.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on register. If you already have an account, just sign in with your credentials. The first section is the home page where you can find the news feed. And here in this section, you can also find your profile and how much you've contributed in competitions, datasets, notebooks, and in discussions. Here you can also see the competitions you've taken part in, any data sets you have uploaded onto Kaggle and made them publicly available. Here you can find all the notebooks that you have made, and there's also a section of jobs. These jobs are mostly from the United States and other countries, so it won't be very helpful for the Indian community. And then here in the news feed, you can see the posts and snippets about people if they've posted anything like a new data set or made a new notebook or even started a new discussion. So here, for example, there's Abhishek Thakur. He just created this notebook a month ago, and this person has upvoted this notebook, and then there are 194 upvotes for this. So this is a Python notebook, and the name of the notebook is this. So here, when I hover over this, you can see that the font color changes. So it's basically a link. You can click and go on to that. You can find all the comments related to that and so on. It depends on the number of people you follow. So I also advise you to follow as many people because you'll get a lot of resources. Those people will be posting some new notebooks and even some data sets where you can gain real world knowledge. The next section is compete. So Kaggle hosts a lot of competitions every year, and then you can take part in them. You can also win a lot of prize money. So in the your competition section, you can see the active competitions that you have joined. I have a tip for you people. The first step is to be persistent. If your first submission ranks very low on the leaderboard, or the performance or the accuracy of your model that you have built is very low, don't go back. Stay forward, move forward, and just keep on trying. Go through the different kinds of notebooks where you'll be able to understand the different procedures other people have used to address the same problem. The other tip is to focus on data preparation and feature engineering. I'm not saying just focus on both of them. I'm also saying focus more on them rather than the model selection. Because if your model is very good and then the data hasn't been prepared in the right way and you haven't selected the right amount of features, so no matter how good your model is, your accuracy won't improve because the right kind of features are not present to address the problem.